G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, the Bureau's official declaration of La Niña today has been expected for some time, and with the Indian Ocean dipole now strongly negative, the dice is certainly loaded very much in favour of a wetter than normal spring and summer. In spite of all that, the forecast for this week looks pretty dry, apart from some showers in the southeast on Friday. Cairns Airport had a temperature range today of 21 to 30 degrees, a pleasant spring-like range, which is hardly surprising for September. In Mareeba, the top was 28. On the satellite loop now, an altogether different day from yesterday when we had this big bank of cloud that's now out in the Pacific Ocean, which was over land. So the upper trough has cleared out to sea. Most of Queensland is now clear. A little bit of offshore cloud off the southeast. North Tropical Coast had some cloud as well, but not producing much in the way of showers, and the rest of the state being dry, as you can see. Today's chart, we have a high pressure system. It's a pretty decent size, around 1,030, just crossing Tasmania now, and the anti-clockwise wind flow around that high is bringing fairly cool southerly winds into Queensland, but they're turning around and becoming more easterly in the tropics, raising the temperature just a touch. On tomorrow's chart, that high moves further out into the Tasman Sea, strengthens a little bit, but we can see this next major cold front moving across the bight with a trough attached to it. So on the outlook chart, that trough front system moves into western Queensland. That's going to bring the northerly winds into inland parts of the state, raising temperatures. Eventually this system on Friday will bring a little bit of rain to the southeast, but the rest of the state should stay dry. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow on a 2-metre swell. Thursday's winds also 15 to 20, but Friday going east to northeast just 10 knots. At the crack of dawn tomorrow we have a low tide, a second low tide in the evening and a high tide during the day. The swing's quite large but slowly diminishing. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, only a 20% chance of a coastal shower, so mostly sunny. 29 for Cairns, Atherton 24, Innisfail 27, Mareeba 28. Looking ahead for Cairns, temperatures are set to peak this weekend with lots of sunshine, so perhaps a sojourn at the beach could be in order. Slightly cooler next week with no significant rain predicted. Atherton follows the same trend as Cairns. Tops almost as warm, getting up to 31 degrees on Saturday and then dropping slightly again. And that's all for tonight, folks. Pleasure to have your company as always. And thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more on the latest. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
And of course, anything you'd like to watch again, our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.